Whoa. Whoa. What? What the? What? What? Okay. Um,
Whoa.
okay. Where is everybody? I think Cupid died. Cupid, where are you? Cupid. Why is the door locked? Breaks down the door again because I don't know, he doesn't know how to open the door. I wonder if she drowned. I'm already soaked to death, so I'm just gonna. Holy, it's dark in here. There's nothing in here. Spooter? Spotter? Hello? Jesus Christ, is there any flashlight? Ooh, flashlight. Spooter. Spooter. Oh, what's that boy? Whee! Spooter. Did you fall in the dirty, muddy water or something? Spooter?
Wait, pause.
One. Spooter. Spooter? Did you drown in the 1 foot water? That's how short you were? Spooter! Wake up! Spooter! Oh my god, she's dead! Spooter! I think I saw a hospital, maybe, I don't know. There's no way you died before me. You're not dead, I think... Hello! Why is nobody in this hospital? Oh, it's a flooded, abandoned hospital. Oh, God. I'll go find help. They're running pharmacy in here? Hello? Oh, what's that? Hello? Goodbye. I'm not going in there. There's a pharmacy. Hello? Everything in here looks brand new. How is nobody working here? Oh god, jeez. I don't know how to attach this stuff. Attaches random stuff. Oh, she's dead. Screams the F word I don't know anymore. She's dead. Oh my. Cries cutely because I have no idea what the heck he'd do in this situation. One.
Who's gonna be our next victim?
Not sure.
Either.
Why don't we go after the cheerful one?
Which cheerful one?
Alright. Maybe sequence.
Yes.
Alright.
Or, oh, not pollen. I mean, maybe we can kill honey first.
Yes. First, we target the bee. Then,
And then
when we have...
it will be 2 deaths at a time because sequence can't live without honey.
Yes, first we go after the bee. Then we manipulate I was gonna say the bird, but that was gonna sound stupid. Then we manipulate the butterfly.
Which butterfly? Pollen?
No, sequin, dummy.
No. Because sequins will die when we kill honey.
Yeah, probably.
Because sequins can't live without her.
True. Wow.
So we can sequence without even trying.
Why don't we get to work?
Yeah, we should go get to work now.
1.
Sequence, you're back already?
Oh, yeah. Hi, honey. Sorry I didn't tell you I came back. Yeah, I came back a little early because they didn't really have anything at the store. Sorry I didn't tell you I came back.
What were we trying to get again?
To be honest, I forgot. Yeah.
Honey is now in Honey's mind. That isn't Sequence. Sequence always remembers to get stuff at the store. And how did she just end up on the stairs like that? That isn't Sequence.
Honey, you alright? You don't look too well.
Oh, I'm fine. I'm just gonna go to the store.
Okay. Wait, 1.
Sequence.
Oh, what are you doing here, honey?
Weren't you just at the house?
No, I've been here the whole time.
Someone claimed to be you. They look exactly like you, and they're at the house.
What?
Yeah, someone's at the house, and they're pretending to be you. And I know it's not you, because I know that's not you, because I'm not stupid.
We're going home right now.
I also have it on my phone, too. Like, voices.
The voice plays. I'm too lazy to do the voice, so, yeah. What the... Yeah, no, I was at the store the whole time.
Yeah. Do you think it was a mimic?
I'm not sure. That's odd. Well, maybe we should ignore it for now. It's hard to ignore something like that, though. Well, I think we'll probably be fine. Hopefully, I don't know. Oh. What the heck? What just happened?
What's going on now?
Why is it so dark? It's 3 a.m.
Why is it so dark?
What time is the TV won't turn? Oh God! What's wrong with the lights? All the lights are turning on. 1. What is going on?
I don't know.
It's so dark. Wait, let me go find a flashlight.
I have a candle.
Okay, come here. Come on. What happened? Why is it so dark?
I don't know. I'm low-key kind of scared.
Where are you going? Wait, honey, wait. Do you think it's kind of dangerous just coming down here alone?
I don't know. I'm just gonna go to sleep. Maybe we could just ignore this and go to bed.
Yeah, I think that's probably the best idea.
Yeah.
Why is there no button?
I don't know.
The one.
Ah!
What the? Hello? Hello? Pollen. Honey, why did I call you Pollen? Honey? Honey, where are you? What the?
Wait, end the recording. We're gonna do a part